Hi, I'm Tiffany with Headcovers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Rosette Style with our square and our oblong headscarf. Today I'm wearing our Meridian beanie. It has gathered sides and light padding on top to provide additional volume under the headscarf and to also prevent it from slipping. I'm going to start by using our square headscarf, and this is our 100% pure silk headscarf. And to start the first look, we're going to take two opposite corners and put them together to make a triangle. Once we have that triangle, we're going to take the folded edge and place it along the hairline. And you can do this look either in the back or on the side, and today I'm going to show you on the side. And you're going to start by making a spiral and twisting all of the ends together. And once you have it, the majority of it twisted, you're going to twist it around itself to create a bun. And you can continue twisting while you're doing this. And then tuck up those folded long ends into the bun. And this is the Rosette Style. Now I'm going to show you the same look, except this time with a rectangular scarf. And this is our Oblong Batik headscarf. And we'll start by taking the edge and folding it in so that the seam isn't showing. And place that folded edge against the hairline and just center it whenever you do that. Now grab the two long ends and pull them over to the side. And we'll want to start twisting our bun. So just twist it all the way down. And then once you have it twisted, we'll start by creating our bun. And you can continue to twist the ends as well whenever you do this, and you'll just tuck them into the bun itself. And this is our finished look. If you do want a more secure hold, you can use a safety pin or a scrunchie to help hold it together. Will you try this look with a rectangular scarf or a square scarf first? Let me know in the comments below, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.